It's onion. Cut onion.
So you use 2 onions.
Yes.
Okay.
This one, the most important one.
Okay.
Yes.
And that one?
This one is it's cocoa.
Cocoa.
Yes.
Okay.
It's harqo. Just a little bit. And this is red. I don't know.
I don't know it.
It's إيمان.
That is
اسمها حميرة.
no, it's not turmeric. That
Paprika.
Yeah,
paprika. That's the one I was looking for. Yeah, yes.
Okay. You put a lot of paprika in this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And olive oil.
Olive oil. Okay.
والزعتر. Do you know?
That is thyme. 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 Dry thyme. Yeah, it's thyme.
Salt.
Put the salt. Okay. So you like it?
Yes, in fire. Just like that.
Okay.
And you leave it for a while,
Like how long?
just like this. And then you can
Cut off the potato.
cut the potato. Yes. See that? The knife is not sharp.
You need a sharp knife.
Yeah.
Okay, so
And now we leave it for like 10 minutes.
okay.
10 minutes, 12 minutes.
Okay.
And we will mix it. And we will leave it again like 20 minutes. And we put the potato and olive.
Olive.
Yes.
Okay.
And a little bit of salt.
Okay. All right.
Yes. And now we will leave it for 10 minutes to get the spices in everywhere.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And now we will leave it like 25 minutes, 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
And then we will put the potato.
Okay. All right.
You got it?
Okay. It's bubbling.
Yes.
So yeah, going to add the potato now.
Potato, yes.
Yeah.
Cooking a tagine, huh?
Yes.
Tagine. Yes, addition.
Now,
Tagine.
little bit of paprika. Like that. A little bit of paprika. And now we'll leave it like that, like 20 minutes again, and we will add the olive.
Okay, the olive.
Yes.
Okay.
Now
Just cover.
just cover it.
Good.
And let it like this. Yes.
Alright. So that is what? No?
This is شنو هو الحامض؟ The lemon.
Lemon. Oh, lemon. And then you put in the olive. Okay. Okay, marinated lemon. Okay.
This is last sip,
Okay.
and we'll leave it for like 10 minutes, 15.
Okay, good.
And ready to eat.
Yes.
Okay. Jay is finished.
Yes.
Oh my god.
It's bubbling.
Yes. It will still bubbling.
Ah,
It will keep bubbling.
and this take about an hour and a half to prepare. Yeah, about that.
Yes, about that. Here, takes time after yes, to prepare the dish. Yes, so the dish is all ready. You know, nice steam is coming out of it as well. Yes, love that Moroccan dish. You know, tagine. You know, it's a very nice dish.
Oh, you going shop?
Yes.
Can I get an orange soda for me? Orange
Yes.
pop?
Which?
Yeah. Yeah, I would eat steak. I don't mind. Let's make some steak soup. You know.